This video will talk about translating equations.
Just want to translate into an equation. There's some key words. A sum, we know, means plus, and a number would be x, and so is going to be equal. So we have the sum of a number and -6. So plus -6, and that's equal to 8. The sum tells me that I need a plus, and then a number is my first thing, and the -6 is the second, and then the is translates to equal. Twice a number. Twice a number means times 2, and a number would be x, is added to 3 times, so 3 times the same number, which is x. The result is the same as, which sounds like an equal, 7. We've got our 7, more than means adding 4, and then times, I'm going to put a dot here for times, the number, which is x. Remember, with more than, order doesn't really matter, but we may want to just switch them to have one rule. But let's try it. Twice a number, that's 2x, is added to, so I have something in before I had my 2x, and that's 3 times the same number, so 3x plus my 2x, the result is equal, the same as 7 more than 4 times the number, so 4 times x. Or you could have had over here 4x with 7 more. Addition doesn't really matter, order doesn't really matter, but depends on if you like that, just have that one rule for the more than, then you would go with the second equation. Finally, the sum of 8 times a number and 24 is equal to 32 less than the number. So again, let's go through this. The sum of 8 times a number, let's let it be in this time, and 24, so this is my other value that I need, is equal to, that's obvious, that's equal, 32 less than, so remember this means that we have to switch the order, less than the number which is in. So the sum of the first thing we're going to add is 8n, 8 times n, plus the 24, that's the other part of this sum, is equal to 32 less than, so that means I'm going to subtract 32, and we're going to subtract it from the number which is n.